اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على محمد وعلى آل محمد رسولنا النبي الأمي المبعوث رحمة للعالمين خاتم الأنبياء والمرسلين نور هذه الأمة وضياؤها وشفيعنا يوم الحساب.
سڵاو هاوڕێیانی خۆشەویست بە خێربێنەوە ڤیدیۆیەکی تر ئەم جارەش لە یاری نێوان بەرشە و ڕیال کلاسیکۆی ئەمشەو پێشبینیەکە ئیمزایەکین چۆنە بێمە خۆمان ڕیالمان هەڵبژاردووە و تەشکیلەمان داناوە با بڕێنە ناو یاریەکە بە زووی ئەوە وەرکڵاسی شان نووسراوە با لە بێتان نەچێ با بڕێنە ناو یاریەکە وەکو پشتگیریەک لە سەبسکرایب لەبیرمەکەن ئەوە چییە با بڕۆ نازانم چی.
The stadium is buzzing already and with good cause. Two top sides ready to go at it, and this should be something special on the pitch.
They are
the two foremost teams in Spanish football, Real Madrid and Barcelona, and they're getting ready to face each other here at the Bernabeu. My name's Derek Ray, and joining me for commentary is Stuart Robson. Stuart, can't wait for this one.
No, nor can I, Derek. They don't come any bigger than this, do they? The two giants of Spanish football. The atmosphere is incredible inside this stadium. Let's hope we see a top-class game as well.
Is it going to be? Save, but still a chance. Well, it came to nothing in the end. Jordi Alba, he's got to tread carefully. And the starting players for Real Madrid. Thibaut Courtois begins in goal. Ferland Mendy plays with Carvajal in the fullback positions. Toni Kroos starts with Casemiro in the centre of the pitch. And the lead striker today is Karim Benzema. Wonderful chance. Oh, tremendous block. Karim Benzema, who's played at such a high level in an attacking sense for so long. Stuart, what do you anticipate seeing from him here?
Well, for me, Derek, his greatest attribute is his ability to combine with teammates, particularly in tight areas, in and around the box, clever little 1-2s, little passes round the corner. He's the player that could be key to breaking down this defence.
And nicely struck. Well, the goalkeeper is thankful that it wasn't a better effort than it actually was. And the Barcelona shape looks like this. Marc-André ter Stegen stands between the posts. Frenkie de Jong plays with Sergio Busquets in central midfield. And the starting role in attack today is handed to Robert Lewandowski. Dembele. Good use of the ball, but can they trouble the defence? Memphis Depay! Well, fantastic reflex action from the goalkeeper. And he takes it away. Lewandowski. And in with a real chance. It's still alive. But no, the flag is up and it's offside. And he has options available. Takes the shot. Well, not quite the result he was hoping for with that shot. Close though. Well, high marks for that pass. Depay. Still passing it around with authority. And thwarted there, following the cross. Short corner it is. Tremendous block from Modric. And short it is. Nicely blocked by Kroos. Short corner taken. And a super header. It looked as though it might be going in. Barcelona, in their quest to take the lead, might be helped out by this corner. Keen to take it short here. And up for grabs off the keeper. In it goes at the second time of asking. But the goalkeeper won't be proud of that moment.
Well, as you can see, it's an error from the goalkeeper. You just can't spill it into a dangerous area like that.
And back underway. 1-0 it is.
No غلط. ئێبرا وەڵای منەمەوە ئۆدی پێش نادەم
Sergio Busquets. Pedri. Nicely timed tackle. Benzema. Well, a textbook interception.
بەشەت حیجوێ ناڵی کاکە
Well, not giving him any breathing room.
وەڵای
from a
ئەڵم
good pass.
زۆر خاو پاساتەکە
Depay. Now Jordi Alba. Sergio Busquets. Perfectly positioned to take it away. Lewandowski. And fine goalkeeping. Well, a short corner here. That's an effective cross aimed at the back post. Well, let's see what they have in store for them on the break.
وەڵای فولم لودم دەرچوو
Ronald Araujo. Dembele. De Jong. Firing it in. Close but offside nonetheless. Not much defensive cover there on the flank. He has time to play it over. Will struggle to get it away properly. Can he finish? Oh, really sound goalkeeping.
Well, that's such a good save, isn't it? How did he keep that one out? Well, just listen to the crowd. They know this is a big chance to equalise.
Well, it has come to nothing. Rudiger. Well, let's see about the cross. Well, he must get rid of the ball.
وەڵای ڕێک خستمە بەردەمی
And that is that half-time here on the...
هەڵمان شەفۆ بەدەستیان
So back in business, the ball moving again, and Real with a bit of work ahead of them. Moving the ball nicely, trying to carve out the equaliser. Great strong tackle, throw in forthcoming. Could cross it in here. A deft clearance. Vinicius Junior.
You
certainly have got to give this man high marks for his work up to this point, Stuart.
Well, I really liked his first half display. He was certainly the most influential player on the field, and I'm expecting more of the same in the second 45 minutes.
Dembele. Barcelona now in potentially a dangerous position. Lewandowski. Well, following the clearance, it will be a corner. And over it comes. Well, not the best clearance. And getting across to stop it. Gets his glove on it. Really closing him down here. Oh, and that challenge carried with it quite the element of risk. Now, what's the referee going to do next? And a red card it is indeed. He's been given his marching orders.
And they've played so well, but that could have a huge impact on this game now.
Trying to really get at the opposition here. And so 30 minutes left for play in this one. Crossing opportunity. Well, showing excellent judgment to intercept. Well, the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Depay. Depay. Lewandowski. Really good challenge. Vinicius. And space to cross it. And players waiting at the far post. But if truth be told, he made it rather straightforward for the keeper.
Well, he knows it. That is a real waste of a great opportunity.
Benzema takes it forward now. Goalkeeper doing his job, getting the touch. And a substitution in the offing. And over comes the corner. Got to get rid of it. Pedri. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. Barcelona free kick. It'll be here. Oh, big opportunity. And a decent save. Full credit.
Rodríguez.
15 minutes left for play. Now he must favour the cross. Firing it in. Well, good clean catch by the keeper. Well, not long to go now, and Real Madrid must do everything in their power to produce an equaliser.
Well, their attacking play has been too slow, it's lacked penetration, and at times it's looked devoid of ideas. But can that change in the final few minutes here? It only needs one moment of magic.
Veering in field here. Well, it looked as though it had a chance of going in.
Well, he should make the keeper work there, but you sense a goal is coming.
Pedri. Well, far from the ideal pass. And considerable space afforded Real Madrid. This could level it. Oh, he couldn't finish. At such an important juncture of the game as well.
Well, that's a big opportunity missed. And you have to question whether they'll get another. Time's very much ebbing away now.
Koundé. Poor pass. And a chance for him on the flank. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. And the referee has added on 2 minutes of stoppage time. Dest. Return to Depay. Has a go. And the goal disallowed. You can see why. Offside, Stuart.
Yeah, and I think he knew as well. Immediately looked over his shoulder to check for the linesman.
And the referee brings this match to a close. Not the result Real Madrid were looking for. I wonder what you made of this.
Well, Derek, it was a poor result, but it was a really tight contest. Both sides had their chances, could have gone either way, but in the end, they will be disappointed.
هاوڕێیانی خۆشەویست هاتیینە ڤیدیۆگەی وەدارم ڤیدیۆگەدان بەدڵ بێت ریال دۆڕا 1-0 هیوادارم وانە بێ ریال بیبات هینا هەتاوە حەیاتی ڤیدیۆی تر و پارتێکی تری فیفا 23 خواتان لەگەڵ